Philly cheesesteak empanada. Very simple. You're gonna freaking love it. It's awesome. It's something a little different. You know, if you like Philly cheese, try this out. You know, I know people from Philly like cheese whiz instead of provolone mozzarella. I'm a Florida girl, so that's how we like it. We like it with provolone, but I dip it in some queso. If you have it now, I dip it in there because I'm just cheesy. I get it. Okay. And y'all gonna see the face my daughter just made. All right, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and shut up tonight. We're gonna go ahead and head over to the stove with my cheese itself, and we're gonna cook this Philly cheesesteak empanada. And add some oil. Oil's ready. We're gonna go ahead and put our peppers inside, our onion inside, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. We're gonna stir. Saute down just a tad bit, and we'll go ahead and add the beef. So the veggies look good, they're about halfway cooked. We're gonna go ahead and add our beef. We're gonna add some salt. We're gonna add pepper and Italian seasoning. And I'm gonna dash a little garlic powder as well. Yeah. And we'll go ahead and we'll stir it around. Alrighty, see? Perfect. So now the beef is all done. On to the fun part. We have our empanadas, we have our meat sitting to the side, and we have our oil over here getting hot. While the oil is getting hot, there's only about a ½ inch of vegetable oil in there. You can use canola oil as well. I just had vegetable oil, so that's what I used. So now with the empanadas, you just separate them. They have wax paper in between, so it makes it easy. So you just separate. Don't forget to take off the wax paper. Don't be that person. Because you better be glad you don't have a friend like me, because you'll never live it down. Let me see, I can put this a little closer. Alrighty, so what you're going to do here with the empanada, you're going to drain the beef. Make sure you leave it in the center. Put it in the center. Put some peppers in there, onions, and you're gonna put the cheese inside. I like mine cheesy, so I'm going heavy on the cheese. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it over. Make sure everything stays in the center. So fold it over. You're gonna take a fork and you just press the sides down. Beautiful. Put two at a time. Look ready to flip. Just grab one end, flip that baby over. There we go. Now we can take them on now. Yeah, it's hot. It's a little hot. Look at that. Goodness. Look at this greatness. You never want to overfill your any pots or pans, especially when you're frying food. While that's finishing, I'm going to make our dipping sauce. And what that is going to be the beautiful, beautiful mayonnaise, mayo, whatever you want to call it. I call it everything, depends on how I'm feeling. To toss some fresh parsley in there. Parsley. And sriracha. And some of our pepper and Italian seasonings, babies. They are good to go. All 4 of our beautiful empanadas. Fresh homemade Philly cheesesteak empanada. And now with this sauce here, again, it was the mayo, Italian, sriracha, fresh parsley. We're just gonna go ahead and stir all this goodness together because this is our dipping sauce. Dipping sauce. Dipping sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Easy. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. I'll sell it to you 75 cents for 1 ounce. Not even 2. 75 cents an ounce. Bam, there we go. Now let's eat. Now, my favorite part of the video is when I finally get to dive in. Switch. All right, I'm just gonna cut it in the center. And there you have it, Philly cheesesteak and